Harmful beliefs about back pain can prolong or worsen your pain. So here are 10 facts everyone should know about back pain, especially if you're going through it right now. I'm Jeffrey, physical therapist, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I will go over 10 facts on back pain, and the following list is referenced from a 2019 editorial in the British Journal of Sports Medicine. Let's jump into it. Number 1, back pain is rarely dangerous or life-threatening. 80% of people will experience back pain at least once in their life. That's a lot of people. But most cases of back pain will resolve over time. Persistent back pain can be scary, but rarely is it dangerous or life-threatening. In rare occasions, back pain can be associated with medical emergencies like sudden weakness in legs, changes in sensation, incontinence, or medical conditions like cancer. Be sure to seek medical help if that's the case. Number 2, getting older is not a cause of back pain. There's common belief that we get back pain as we age, or back pain is worse when we're older, but there's no evidence to support that. Most episodes of back pain do improve. I know there are reasons to dread getting older, but back pain should not be one of them. Number 3, persistent back pain is rarely associated with serious tissue damage, like to the bone or muscle. If you did injure your back and have tissue damage, healing usually occurs within 3 months. If you have back pain longer than that, it's usually due to other contributing factors, like stress, fatigue, inactivity, unaccustomed activity, having a negative mindset, avoidance behavior based on fear of pain or injury, and more. Number 4, scans rarely show the cause of back pain. MRI reports or X-ray findings can sound scary with words like herniation, stenosis, arthritis, disc bulges, degeneration. In fact, these findings are common in people without back pain, and they don't predict the pain that you feel or level of disability. Findings on scans can change, and most disc herniations can improve over time. Number 5, pain with movement or exercise does not equal harm. The pain that you feel during activities and movements usually reflect how sensitive the structures of your back are and not how much damage there is. It's normal to feel some pain when you start to exercise again. What's important is gradually progressing back into the exercises or activities that you used to do, and it's generally safe and healthy to do so. Number 6, back pain is not caused by poor posture. How you sit, stand, and bend does not cause back pain, although there might be pain associated with those movements. A variety of postures are healthy for your back. It is okay to relax during everyday activities like sitting or bending forward with a round back. Number 7, a weak core does not cause low back pain. In fact, some people with back pain seem to over-tense their core as a protective response. While it is good to keep your core, trunk muscles strong, it is also important to be able to relax them when they are not needed. Number 8, backs do not wear out with everyday bending and loading. The same way lifting weights make your muscles stronger, bending, moving, and loading can make your back stronger and healthier as well. So generally, activities like running, twisting, bending, and lifting are safe to do if they're done gradually and regularly. Number 9, pain flare-ups does not mean you are damaging yourself. These flare-ups are usually more related to mood, stress, and changes in activity more than damage to the structure itself. Controlling these factors can help prevent your back pain from getting worse. When you do have flare-ups, instead of treating it like an injury, try to stay positive and stay moving. Number 10, injections, surgery, and strong drugs are usually not the cure for back pain. These treatment options come with risks and may have side effects. Also, the results are not always effective or long-term. Instead, effective care should include education on how our bodies are resilient, having a positive mindset, and managing the factors contributing to your back pain. And those are the 10 facts on back pain. I hope you guys learned something new on how to manage your back pain better and just stay more positive. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Click here to see the 5 mobility exercises I do every day. And if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe.